Number 1. 1999 Ford F250, price $8,000, powered by a 6.8L V10 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and 192,000 miles. It has a clean title, no rust, and has never been driven on salted roads. The truck was professionally repainted in 2021 with high-end pearlescent green metallic paint, followed by the addition of a new bedliner, toolbox, and tonneau cover. It features manual crank windows and door locks, a camper/tow package, Bilstein shocks, and rear air springs for improved towing and ride quality. Recent upgrades include a new AC system in 2023 and a new radiator in 2025. Additional accessories include sidestep bars, 2024, a bull bar with lights, CB radio with PA speaker, front and rear dash cameras, an aftermarket Kenwood stereo with HD radio and CD player, and a hitch-mounted cargo carrier with an integrated ramp. Number 2. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,990, solid and dependable pickup truck that remains in good overall condition. It is equipped with a strong 5.3L V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and reliable power. The 4x4 system works properly, making the truck capable in various driving conditions, whether on the road or off the beaten path. With only 133,000 miles on the odometer, it has relatively low mileage for its year and continues to run and work great. The truck comes with a clean title and features a red exterior paint that still looks good and represents the vehicle well. It has been well cared for and shows normal wear consistent with its age, but nothing that affects its overall functionality. Number 3. 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,995, clean title pickup truck that offers a strong combination of performance, comfort, and classic styling. It is powered by a 5.9L V8 OHV16V fuel-injected engine mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifting and dependable power. The truck runs on gasoline and has 179,000 miles on the odometer, which is reasonable for its age and reflects normal use. The vehicle features a beige exterior paired with a beige interior, giving it a timeless and well-maintained look. It has earned a 4 out of 5-star crash test rating, providing solid safety and peace of mind. Overall, this Dodge Ram is in good condition, clean, and ready to drive, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and durable truck for everyday use or light-duty work. Number 4. 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,990. This truck is a black 4WD pickup with a 3.9L DOHC EFI 24-valve V6 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. It has 220,000 miles, a clean title. The truck is equipped with a 2-speed transfer case, manual locking front hubs, and a 3.91 axle ratio, providing solid 4-wheel drive capability. It features independent front suspension with coil springs and rear leaf springs, skid plates for added protection, and power-assisted steering and brakes. The 6.2-foot double wall bed includes a removable tailgate, while 15-inch steel wheels with mud and snow tires and a full-size spare complete the setup. Inside, it offers rear jump seats, full carpeting, dual cup holders, auxiliary power outlets, and a complete gauge cluster. Number 5. 1982 Dodge W350, price $9,500, clean title 4WD truck powered by a 360 cubic inch gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It shows 99,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in white paint. The truck is usable as it sits and has received a substantial amount of recent maintenance. Recent updates include a new steering box, power steering pump and hoses, and a steering shaft with upgraded joints. The engine has been refreshed with a new water pump, an Edelbrock carburetor, and a full ignition tune-up including spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap, and rotor. All belts and hoses have been replaced, all fluids have been checked, and the truck rides on third-generation wheels. Additional features include a 2-inch receiver hitch, a new vinyl floor mat, and treated or repaired floor rust. Number 6. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, solid and dependable pickup truck with a clean title and 156,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth power delivery and reliable performance. The rear-wheel drive setup makes it suitable for daily driving as well as light-duty work. As a base trim model, this truck offers a straightforward and functional design while still including desirable comfort features. The air conditioning system works properly, helping keep the cabin cool, and the electric power windows add convenience for the driver and passengers. The vehicle sits on clean tires, reflecting regular maintenance and readiness for the road. Number 7. 1986 Mazda B2000, price $5,900, rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a manual transmission and 146,000 miles. Finished in white, the truck runs and drives great, showing only typical cosmetic blemishes for its age. A Jasper long block engine and clutch were installed at 113,000 miles. Since then, it has been well maintained with recent upgrades including a new master cylinder, brake booster, slave cylinders, rear brake kit, radiator, and hoses, complete exhaust with MagnaFlow catalytic converter and quiet muffler, for new shocks, and new rear axle seals. The truck comes with 2 sets of wheels and tires, including stock steel wheels with snow tires, making it a solid and reliable classic compact pickup. Number 8. 1996 Ford F150, price $3,450. Powered by a gas straight-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. The engine starts easily and runs strong, making it a dependable daily or work truck. It has 262,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean Georgia title in hand. The exterior is finished in yellow, and the truck has been well maintained mechanically. It features brand new tires and new rear brakes, along with a fresh oil change. The heating system works perfectly and provides strong heat, while the air conditioning blows air but does not hold a charge for long. This F-150 is equipped with dual fuel tanks, both of which were replaced last year, along with new fuel pumps, adding to its reliability. Number 9. 1985 Dodge Ram, price $8,500, solid and well-maintained classic truck finished in a gray exterior paint and offered with a clean title. It is equipped with a 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. This truck is a true one-owner vehicle with only 35,000 actual miles, which is exceptionally low for its age. It runs great, drives well, and remains completely original, showing no signs of heavy modification or abuse. The overall condition reflects careful ownership, making it a rare and honest example of a classic Dodge Ram that is ready to be enjoyed or preserved. Number 10. 1977 Dodge D150, price $4,500, powered by a reliable 318 V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck shows 107,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It runs on gasoline and offers dependable performance typical of Dodge trucks from this era. The long 8-foot bed is equipped with a matching bed shell, providing extra cargo protection and versatility for hauling or daily use. Recent maintenance includes new rear shocks and newer brakes, contributing to a more comfortable ride and improved stopping performance. Inside, the truck has been upgraded with an aftermarket Bluetooth radio, along with enhanced speakers and a subwoofer for better sound quality. Tinted windows add privacy and help reduce interior heat, making this D150 a solid combination of classic style, practicality, and modern comfort upgrades.